Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Hello, I am Nancy Jamwar from Patna and I am a MCA final year student in Patliputra University from JD Women's College. My career goal is to be in a respectable position in that organization. I want to get a job in required company that I can utilize my skills, and my strength is that I am a very hardworking person. I am good at multitasking. I always try to give my 100% to finish my work on time, and after completing my final examination, I have started for searching a job, and I have to know about Evision Technoserve, which is a consulting company, and and I have also know about technologies through Evision Technoserve, like networking, types of networking, how to assign IP address, virtualization, CCNA, ITIL, cyber security, hacking, process of hacking, types of hacking, and how to hacking and cracking of password using Kali Linux, and network fundamentals, and how to share a local printer in a network, file transfer, sharing a file, and I am a fresher, that I have a theoretical knowledge. If you give me a chance for enhance my practical knowledge, that I will give you better results in short period of time, and thank you.